Hello, my name is Constantinos Charalambous and I'm the Provost of City Unity College, Nicosia. I want to share a few words about the Doctoral program in Educational Leadership at Acacia University. It's a program that I hold in very high regard. What really stands out about this program is its strong balance between theory and practice. Coursework challenges you to think critically about real issues in education, while the research component helps you translate those ideas into meaningful change within your institution. It's not just about earning a degree, it's about growing as a reflective and strategic leader. The faculty at Acacia are exceptional. They bring both academic depth and practical experience, and they are genuinely invested in each student's development. The support and mentorship they provide make a real difference, especially when you're managing professional responsibilities alongside doctoral studies. I also appreciate the collaborative cohort model in the form of the BLCs. It creates a community of scholars and practitioners who share experiences, exchange ideas, and challenge each other to think differently about leadership and policy. That sense of collaboration is something that stays with you long after the program ends. From my experience as an academic administrator, I can say that graduates of Acacia's doctoral program in educational leadership emerge with skills, confidence, and the perspective they need to lead effectively in today's complex educational environments. I'm proud to be associated with Acacia University and to recommend this program to anyone committed to advancing leadership and excellence in education.